Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I have been missing in action, and it's because I wasn't feeling too good or I wasn't feeling well, so I decided to just, a little break, kinda. Not really a break, but yeah. But guys, I'm going to be really consistent with my videos nowadays. I'm going to start, and if you see a little black spot, my center needs to clean. So I still haven't, I kind of cleansed it a little bit. I think it needs to be cleansed a little bit more. I'm going to take it to a professional to get it cleaned, because I don't want to touch it to, damage it or anything, but it needs to clean. I try to use the Q-tip to clean it off a little bit, but I still see a little bit more dirt on it, so eventually I'll get it cleaned. So I'm going to do something red. I'm not sure if the color is going to look red on camera or pink, but it's going to be like red pinkish color, you know what I'm saying? So we're just gonna do something reddish pinkish. So yeah, so I'm gonna go in with my ColourPop No Filter concealer in dark 52. Yeah. I really need some concealers. I really need a lot of like makeup stuff, but I don't really have any money. Cash flow is a little bit, so we are trying to be as, what do you say now, I'm trying to be as frugal as possible so that we can save a buck or two, because we have some very important stuff coming up, and we need money for that. Very important stuff in my life, so I need money to take care of all of that. So we're not trying to spend any money on stuff that we don't need. This red, I'm gonna use this orange as my transition shade, and then this red later on, okay? But I'm gonna start with the red, and then we're gonna add the transition shade. As you can see, I did one eye off camera. This is a red vibe that I'm feeling today, because I'm feeling, yeah, red hot. Joke me, mate. But I was feeling like red. Brush. This is a fluffy blending brush from my Sylyne brush set, and we're just gonna add that. Just gonna blend it on the lid, and as I said, or as I've been saying, Juvia's Place. Yes, so as I've been saying, Juvia's Place is I don't know. I love Juvia's Place. I don't care what's going on. I am such a, what do you say now? I'm the type of person that doesn't really care about like others' opinion about anything. I have to try something for myself. What do you say now? I'm a daredevil. Yeah. I want to call myself any kind of devil or anything, but I'm a daredevil. The term means, someone that doesn't really care about what people say or whatever. Just go for something. I'm that type of person, so I don't really care about what others say. I will go for something unless it kills me, or unless it does something bad to me. I'm that type of person. Yeah, I don't listen to loud noises. I listen to what I feel is right. So even though people are talking and teaching and they're not representative and all that crap, I don't care. I don't really care. Whatever. Yeah. Black people, we kill one black race. Yeah. In my country, black people kill black people. Me not care. Me no business about what people want to say. Me no business where them want chat about Juvia's Place. Me not care. Yeah. No matter. Me not gonna stop by Juvia's Place. And it's my business that. Yeah, it's not my business. Stay on my own lane. It's not personal. It's not a personal attack. Talk about the product, not the people behind it. It's not personal. Don't take it personal. Yeah, big up yourself near them. Like me, see? Like they do. Really cool. I like him. Cool. You know? In funny and you know, yeah, I like him. No business. I like him. Us black people, we are fighting, you know? We fight, we love war, we love quarrel, we love fight, and we love defend ourselves. Yeah. We love defend ourselves. I just so, you know. But we just have to live together like we all are family. Cause we all are family in one eye, in the most high Jah. Yeah, we have to just live as one and stop cussing and fighting over foolishness and all of these things, you know, so that we can experience love and unity and just happiness in general. I mean, it's not gonna be there. We're not gonna be perfect, and we're not gonna live in the perfect world, and everybody's just gonna be so nice and perfect. But at least just chill sometimes and not focus on, you know, locus. But I focus on a locus. Just focus on the prize, where you want to go. Be thankful for where you are. And love everybody. Stop hate people for no reason. Stop have people accountable for everything. And just, you know, love. Yeah, stop about people. Yeah. Stop hold a grudge. Yeah, nobody's obligated to nobody. If anybody want to do anything, they're free to do it. Yeah. But yeah, I'm just loving how this is looking. So highlight it a bit. Guys, the camera turned off, so I went ahead and did my cut crease. Sorry about that. But this is just my LA Girls eyeshadow primer in white. And this is my Real Techniques detailer brush. My favorite brush for cut crease. Yeah. Yeah, I'm just gonna kinda spread it out a bit. And this should be fine. This is from the Morphe 35O palette. This pinky nude shade. And we're just gonna pat that on the lid. And this is just like a setting powder, like when you conceal your face and you set your face. Set the concealer with powder. This is acting as if it's a setting powder, but it's on the lid, because it's going to give me this nice pinky nude kind of vibe. It's not going to be white, just pinky nude. You know what I mean. So this is a real nice colors. I love these type of nudes. Pinky nudes. Yeah. I love this color in gloss on the lips. So just blending that. Now I'm gonna use this lip brush to just kind of define the crease some more. So I'm gonna go in with this red from the Morphe palette. Gonna add that right here. And this is just going to define the crease some more and to make the red prominent. Okay. See that? So we're just making that red nice and red. You see me? We're gonna be red out. Are we red out? So now we're gonna go in with the same red that we used earlier from the magic palette, and we're just gonna take that red out here like so. You see me? Right here, so. And we're gonna just pack it. Pack it. Pack it. Pack it. Like so. And then I'm gonna go in with the Morphe 35B palette, and I'm gonna use this nice plum shade, and we're just gonna add that plum shade right here just to deepen it a little bit. Yeah, good. See that? Pretty plummy, yummy. When you live in the cloud, I just want you to come over, babe. Oh, na na na, na. All night we can get it on, and I'ma give it to you. All night, so right. Don't act like you know it, and I can give it to you. All night, all right. And I can feel the bushes and the okay. So just adding that and just fading it a little bit as I go closer to the inner portion of my eyes. I'm going to add the smallest amount of red, not going to add a lot, because I want it to give me that faded look, ombre look. Oh, I just want you to come over. Oh, no, no, no. Oh, no. Oh, no, no, no. Oh, no, no, no. No. Okay. What do you think, guys? Good? I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. liquid liner, and we're gonna make a nice wing just like this one. Then we're done. Alright, mad people, stop. Okay, guys, so nice and done. Now I'm gonna add this color, this white shade at my inner corner. No, not the white, the nude shade at my inner corners. Yeah, right there. So I'm gonna take some of this this red. I'm gonna take it to my lower lashes right here. Take some right here. Just gonna define the eyes a bit. And this angled brush is from Practic by Sigma. Nice. So now we're gonna go in with our lashes, and I'm gonna use these lashes. These are some Aliexpress lashes. I've worn them before. Okay guys, so this is my finished look. I hope you loved it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye bye.